Ah, good old behavior charts. I remember my elementary school days trying to get the most stars on the board, usually so I could get candy. Not even good candy now that I think about it. Things like Tootsie Rolls and Smarties. Anyways, my name is Will Ford, and let's talk about autism and child behavior charts. Behavior charts can have many benefits. This is particularly true when working with a child who has autism. Problematic behaviors such as physical aggression or even self-injury can be effectively addressed using behavior charts. The versatility of this particular training tool means they can be used as either antecedent interventions, in which they function as cues or reminders for children to engage in specific tasks, or reaction-based interventions where they provide a method for reinforcers to be delivered for appropriate behavior. The key is identifying your goal and then letting the chart help you to achieve it. You know, all this talk about charts has got me thinking about one thing. Goalie!
Goalie is a suite of therapy apps for special needs kids, used by clinicians, educators, and parents. Are you tired of all the nagging and stress? Well, no more! Goalie is your parent assistant that tells your child what to do step by step, so you don't have to. Goalie is a pocket-sized device that allows for easy programming of routines and built-in rewards functionality. This makes daily activities a breeze. It's easily customizable by you to tell your child exactly what you want it to. It's got all the upsides of a phone, like visual cues, and none of the downsides, like a web browser. Check out getgoalie.com for more info.
Antecedents are people, things, or events that happen immediately before problem behavior occurs. For example, when someone tells me that I look like Ross from Friends, I usually get angry. The antecedent is people telling me that I look like Ross, and the problem behavior that follows is me getting angry. Problem behavior can be related to a range of things, including a child's physical environment, or the people who were present, or the time of day. Once you're able to identify the antecedent that precedes the problem behavior, then you can choose from a variety of available interventions, including behavior charts. For instance, if your child gets irritated every afternoon when story time ends because they don't know how to properly ask for more time with the story, a behavior chart is an ideal tool. In this case, the antecedent is the end of the reading period. A chart containing a series of pictures describing the end of story time, the next step in the schedule, and appropriate behavior could stop this problematic behavior in its tracks. The use of behavior charts for managing reactions is perhaps the most common use of this tool. These types of visual supports typically have spaces on them for children to place stars or stickers, or any other type of token. This is usually to encourage good behavior. For example, a teacher may decide to reinforce a student's capacity to follow directions. Each time they follow directions, he or she may then place a token on the behavior chart. Alternatively, they may remove a sticker when bad behavior is the reaction. By using the chart, the parent, teacher, or therapist is able to spend time encouraging appropriate behavior on a regular basis without the need to manage problem behavior as it occurs. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out getgoalie.com for more information on goalie.